Previously on Redline Rattle Traps.
5,000 miles in a 33-year-old car. There's no way that's not going to be entertaining.
Yeah. So, we'll see how that goes.
Yep.
Over the past few weeks on Redline Rattle Traps, Galen and I have been working hard to prepare his 1987 Mercury Colony Park Grand Marquis station wagon for a 5,000-mile cross-country road trip. We ended up getting this accomplished fairly quickly, and all the stuff that we needed to do was covered roughly in 3 videos. The only thing that we cut out was we waxed the car, but we can talk about that later. The important thing is we left on our trip, and things went well to start off. We covered all of 30 miles before something went wrong.
This speedometer has decided... I don't really know what it's decided, to be honest. I think probably if I stopped it would say I was doing 20.
So most likely, like, the cable just decided that... the cable's still definitely attached. It's
Something
just
skipped.
something like it. I think like it may be like a gear or something got skipped, but as you can see, it's just kind of there, chilling. Yeah. So that's great. We're like what, like 20-30 minutes into our journey.
Maybe.
Yeah. And we've already had our first issue. It's not a real issue, but. Oh, you're closer. Just don't miss a park.
Oh, I did put us in neutral. We're gonna hit up here now.
It sounds better. Oh, I think you might have fixed it. Nope, never mind.
Wow, now it's very broken. No, we're gonna have to pull over and fix this.
All right, update. We are in a
hotel.
Yes, as Kylie said, a hotel parking lot, and Galen is currently beating on the dashboard.
It's known to fix every problem.
Gonna just see what happens now that you've done some good beating.
Yeah.
All right.
That's what we pulled over for?
Yes.
I couldn't do it on the highway.
Update. Galen's beating on the dashboard did not apparently fix it, so it did not fix all problems. But we're just gonna live with it. And we're gonna break out the speedometer app, and maybe it'll fix itself. Probably not, but
It might at some point.
yeah.
I wouldn't be surprised.
Unfortunately for us, it never ended up fixing itself, but that was fine. We continued to press on and ignore this minor inconvenience. With darkness now upon us, our tired eyes and 33-year-old windshield glass had to compete with the bright lights of long-haul truckers. This became especially entertaining when we had to cross over onto the other side of the highway and had trucks flying by us just a few feet away from us. Unfortunately, we survived this and had to continue to press forward when the morning light came. That is after we added some oil because the dummy light came on. It was 1 a.m., but we had made it to Minnesota. And this is the point where if we were professional YouTubers, we would have gotten out of the car, set up the tripod, set up some lights, and talked about the first leg of our road trip and how we had finished it successfully. But again, it was 1 a.m. and there were mosquitoes, so we literally just went to sleep. But as a thank you for watching this first part of our road trip, I will now play a clip of why we even did this road trip in the first place.